I want you to speak about this cohort, how your 4 months are like, how your journey so far within this cohort.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा था कि मैंने इससे पहले भी एक एक्सेल का कोर्स करा था
Okay.
कोर्सेरा से। बट उसमें जैसे आपने पूरा इन डेप्थ पूरा बेसिक से सिखाया और आपने मतलब ऐसे वे में सिखाया कि आप एक्सेल को पूरे अच्छे एफिशिएंसी के साथ यूज़ कर सकते हो। तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा। और मतलब जो एग्जांपल्स भी आपने लिए थे हर मतलब आप टॉपिक को पहले थ्योरी बताते थे कि उसका यूज़ केस क्या है, फिर उसको एक्सेल में कैसे करना है, उसका शॉर्टकट्स ये सब, फिर एक जो भी रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल के साथ उसको प्रैक्टिस भी करवाते थे। तो वो अच्छा था, एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था।
अगर मैं यूट्यूब वीडियो से कंपेयर करूँ, लाइक अगर मैं रैंडमली सीखना चाहता हूँ कि आज मैं पावर क्वेरी सीख लेता हूँ, आज मैं पिवट टेबल सीख लेता हूँ, यूट्यूब पे हमें बहुत सारा डेटा मिलता है। मैं भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने यूट्यूब से ही सीखी थी, राइट। लेकिन कॉर्पोरेट में जाने के बाद पता चला कि थोड़ी से बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंट है। इंस्टेड ऑफ वर्किंग ऑन दोज बेसिक डेटा सेट, तो वहाँ पर तो ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं जब 15 लोगों के सामने वो सेम चीज़ अप्लाई करनी होती है, मे बी सम फॉर्मूला, वी लुकअप, एक्स लुकअप, समथिंग। तो आपका क्या मानना है, हाउ दिस कोहर्ट इज़ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम रैंडम यूट्यूब वीडियोस?
डिफरेंट ऐसे है कि जैसे पूरे एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड फॉर्म में गया था। जैसे मतलब हम बेसिक से सिखाया, फिर कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज़ें करवाया। जैसे एक्स लुकअप ये सब कोई करवाता है तो आप बेसिक 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 ही करवाते हैं, कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज़ों में नहीं लगाता। और बट आपने पूरा कॉम्प्लेक्स फार्मूलाज ये सब भी करवाया था उसके साथ, जैसे नेस्टेड फार्मूलाज ये सब हो गए। कि मतलब आपको एक्सपीरियंस भी है कि असली मतलब जॉब में कैसे यूज़ होता है, तो आपने उस वे में सिखाया, तो उससे अच्छी क्लैरिटी मिली।
क्वेश्चन, अगर आपको किसी को रिकमेंड करना है ये कोहर्ट के लिए, राइट, तो आपकी क्या एडवाइस रहेगी उसके लिए कि वाई शुड एनी वन जॉइन अपकमिंग कोहर्ट्स?
एडवाइस ये रहेगा कि मतलब मतलब क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहिए वो, कि आप पूरा जीरो से सिखाते हो। पूरा बेसिक, जिसको बिल्कुल एक्सेल भी नहीं आता वो भी सीख सकता है। लाइव क्लासेस होती हैं तो कुछ भी डाउट हो आप सीधा सॉल्व भी कर सकते हो। और अगर किसको ऐसे पर्सनली भी पूछना है तो आप 1-to-1 सेशंस भी कंडक्ट करते हो। इसलिए मतलब रेकमेंड करना चाहूँगा कि ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और आपने आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स भी करवाए, रियल लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट्स जो मतलब रेज्यूमे में वैल्यूएबल भी रहेंगे।
वाई यू जॉइंड दिस कोहर्ट?
My name is Miyasan Nair, and uh, did I studied business administration for my bachelor's. I've completed it last year, and the main purpose of joining this Excel cohort was to like upskill myself. Like since being a fresher, like this was a very necessary skill, especially for my domain. So this was one of my main purpose for joining this thing.
This is the reason you joined this cohort, right? So,
Yep.
how's your experience so far? We are connected for, I guess, uh, for last 4 months, right? So,
Yep.
how's your experience for these 4 months? But
This past 4 months, like we have completed, I mean, including today, this will be 28 sessions. So it was very helpful, to be honest. Like, I don't know about the rest of my batchmates, but for me, I was very new to this thing. Like, I had zero idea about Excel. But right now, like, I do know the basics. And like, if someone asks me, like, to what, yeah, data, uh, say kya pata chalta hai, like, I can easily explain it to them. So like, this was very, very plus point for me. Experience bahut acha tha. And one thing I really liked about your class was like, you really cared about our learning. Kyuki, like, whatever we do in our class, you ask us to complete the assignments and then to finish our projects. Like, if you didn't give like, if you didn't give you didn't care much about us, like, assignment deke, like, you can just leave it as it is. Like, you encourage us, and then you motivate us to finish and complete our assignments. So yeah, that was very good of you. And yeah, overall it was a very lovely experience.
yeah, thanks, Sanan. But I guess that's why I started with this cohort, right? And the difference
Yep.
between a course and a cohort is exactly same. Like you mentioned, all the benefits, accountability रहती है, right? हम लोग projects discuss कर सकते हैं, and ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें एक recorded course में नहीं हो पाती है. You have like watch some Udemy course or maybe watch some random YouTube videos, how this cohort type of learning is different from YouTube videos, like hopping on a different random YouTube videos.
I mean, before joining this like extra courses, ऐसा कुछ I didn't look up to it. But YouTube में I did search some videos, idea लेने के लिए. So yeah, I mean materials are available at YouTube में, but still the main difference will be doubt sessions clear करना. That will be like the most important thing. क्योंकि like YouTube में even if you understand, if you don't understand, like you don't have other options to clarify your doubts. So वो ये for me, doubt sessions, doubt clearing. Data set, just like solving work, data cleaning wala, and then XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, you can easily like get it through these online sources. However, projects का data set and all is very difficult to get. So वो बहुत helpful था. And then I don't think like it's easily available anywhere also. So that was like the edge.
Final question. Wants to join upcoming cohorts, right? Cohort 3, cohort 4. Will you recommend this cohort to them? And if your answer is yes, then why?
100%, like 100%, I will recommend anyone joining this cohort. If you ask me why, then it will be like the overall learning experience is 100% really good, really awesome. And then one tip for anyone joining this class would be like to try to practice at home by yourself. Because even if you are taking this session and then if you are not practicing, then nahi hoga. Because like even me from my personal experience, like 1-2 weeks ka projects assignments I used to skip, or both I was lagging behind a lot. So yeah, practice both zaruri hai. It's very mandatory, very important. So yeah, practice a lot, and then this cohort will be very helpful for you.
एंड आई रिमेंबर कि सनन को बहुत वो था कि 1 आवर का हम लोग शेड्यूल करते हैं टाइम, एंड वो 1.5 घंटे या 2 घंटे तक पहुंच जाता है. सो आई गेस सनन इज नॉट हैप्पी अबाउट दैट थिंग. हाउ इज योर जर्नी सो फार, लाइक अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस, अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट्स यू बिल्ड, द असाइनमेंट्स यू डिड, राइट? हाउ इज योर जर्नी लुक लाइक इफ यू लाइक see 4 months back till now?
4 months back. Okay, so in particular, I think initially when we connected, it was like I was new to everything also. I mean, MBA also, this also, everything was new only. But particularly in Excel, I think I knew very basic things. But project building classes, that is okay for me. But I think the interaction or the questioning, I would say, mostly I couldn't answer. I mean, most of the questions that you would ask me, I would be lost. But then when I look back or go back to the project, which I did because of my internship ka placements, so that's when I realized, okay, that's where I missed it. And I know that. So he asked me there and I couldn't answer. That stays with me because yeah, I couldn't answer that. So that will stay with me longer. So that's how the thing was. I mean, okay, the classes, we have classes or that is there, but the interaction part where you cross question, that at that moment it will feel a little weird that you are not able to answer if somebody is not able to answer. But again, that stays, and that you can relate, and that you can, when the actual time comes, you can just click it back like, okay, that is what I did and that is what it can help. And at the end, when we're doing the project, I think you told initially that when we'll build the project, the dots will connect. So I think a lot of things that we were taught, but yeah, somewhere or the other I forgot or something. But now at least few basic, not formulas, but shortcuts, which I would have learned, now I remember. That's the whole difference. So mainly to वही था. And the thing is, practical approach बहुत important है. I mean, I can learn Excel, that is okay, but जो पूछते हैं, that is not कि वो formula पूछेंगे कि हाँ इसको कैसे करना है, that is not that. वो पूछते हैं क्यों कर रहे हो, so that is important. So yeah, I think वो था total कि एक clueless जगह से एक अलग mindset से शुरू करते कि हमें सीखना है. So it's like learning, which is बचपन से ये ट्रेनिंग होता है कि हाँ रट लो हो जाएगा, बट देन व्हेन यू कम टू द रियल सिनेरियो इट इज नेवर रट के कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला. सो यू हैव टू be practical. So yeah, that's the whole thing. Coursera, because for me it's a part of my curriculum also. You have to finish few certificates. So mostly what we do, to be very honest, because nobody sits and goes through the whole lecture, they skip or something.
Yeah.
But again, if you want to learn also, I am not saying people will not sit and do. Who is dedicated, they'll definitely sit and do. But the thing is, like again, I'm quoting myself only. Initially, if you remember, I literally asked you कि whether we can do this particular thing using the keyboard or do I have to pick my mouse, and you told me that for this you have to take your mouse because you can't select that, so you have to. So that is the whole thing. Like these small things, I cannot cover that in the Udemy or Coursera because I don't have that reach. So, but these small things actually make a difference because you eventually get used to it and that adds up to your speed. So yeah, these small things. And one more thing is kind of that interaction that is there, that is very helpful. Basically, even now the cohort is over, I know, but still if I have an issue, I can at least tell you or ask you that, yeah, I mean, how to do that or something.
You are talking to 4 months back Sumega.
Okay, so little bit of background. I really come from a non-tech, like completely away from computers wala background, like core biology wala thing. So when I started working on this, it was like really new thing. In 9th or 10th standard, everybody has Excel, everybody has HTML, everybody has that, but that is also like a kids thing. They in the book will have pictures and a little bit of practical. But then when you come to the real world, it is like complete data sets that you're going to get, and nobody cares from which level you are coming. Like if you are there, you have to compete. That's the whole point. So that's when I was looking for a course, like because Udemy and Coursera, I have tried myself because it was compulsory here to do it. But the thing is, we didn't learn anything. That's the whole point, because somebody is doing something on the screen we are watching, but you don't get the data set, or you don't know. If you are stuck, you are stuck. You don't know that is there. So personally for me, that's when I don't know how Instagram suggested or what happened, algorithm just worked, and that's when the thing happened. So when I joined initially also, I was very clueless. You were telling shortcuts and all of that was there, but eventually you just get it. That's my whole thing. But in the live thing, live code is always better because you can ask, that is one thing, but you will be more attentive also because you are under supervision kind of thing.
Yeah.
So you will pay your attention, that is there, and that is important because until and unless you have that willpower or that thing, but I don't think this generation, as we are so distracted only, the attention is lost. So if somebody is there to just ask you and push you, so yeah, that always works.